children, I am your Rita ma'am and I am the class teacher of UKG. Children, do you know there are 26 letters in English alphabet? Do you know children how many vowels are there in English alphabet? There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O and U. Today we will learn about vowel A. This is our English reading book, Work on Language. And all of you open page number 6. Vowel A. Children, the letter A is spoken as A, just as A-T, at, A-N, an, A-M, am. Okay? So, look, read and understand the short sound of vowel A. A-N, an. See children, in all 3 words, A-N is common and only first letter is different. So, how we will read these words? M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. F-A-N, fan. A-P, app. Now see, C-A-P, cap. M-A-P, map. T-A-P, tap. Here, A-M, A-M, am. So now read J-A-M, jam. D-A-M, dam. R-A-M, ram. Now the next word is A-T. In all 3 words, A-T is common. So now how will we read these words? R-A-T, rat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. Now here A-C-K. A-C-K, ack. So A-C-K is common in all 3 words. Let's read R-A-C-K, rack. P-A-C-K, pack. B-L-A-C-K, black. Now on page number 7, read aloud the long sound of vowel A. S-N-A-K-E, snake. W-H-A-L-E, whale. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. A-P-R-O-N, apron. Now read once again. S-N-A-K-E, snake. W-H-A-L-E, whale. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. A-P-R-O-N, apron. Now, some word families with long sound of vowel A. In all families, few letters are common. Okay? Like in all these words, AI is common. So how will we read these words? Jail, jail. Tail, tail. Mail, mail. Fail, fail. Trail, trail. Jail, tail, mail, fail, trail. Now, in this family, see A and E. A and E is common. Now, let's read Lake, lake. Cake, cake. Bake, bake. Drake, drake. Snake, snake. Lake, cake, bake, drake, snake. Gate, gate. Bate, bait. Hate, hate. Late, late. Plate, plate. Gate, date, hate, late, plate. Now see, rain, rain. Train, train. Chain, chain. Stain, stain. Brain, brain. Rain, train, chain, stain, brain. Say, say. May, may. Bay, bay. Pay, pay. Play, play. See children, in all these words, ay is common. But the first letter was different. So, we read as say, may, bay, pay, play. Now see, let's read and understand. Here one sentence is given according to this picture. So, a date, a date. A date, inthe, the, plate, plate. You can see children, this date is in this plate. So, a date in the plate. See. So, a train, train. A train, inthe, the, rain, rain. A train in the rain. A drake, drake. A drake. A drake, inthe, the, L-A-K-E, lake. A drake in the lake. Here you can see one whale, and what is this? This is a snake. So what is written here? A W-H-A-L-E, whale. A whale. A whale, A-N-D, and. A S-N-A-K-E, snake. A whale and a snake. On page number 8, one exercise is given related with vowel A. See children, look at the given words and find these A sound words in the given grid. One has been done for you. Which one is done for you? See, the first word, B-L-A-C-K, black. So, here the spelling of black is covered. So, like this, we will find the other words also in this grid. So, how all of you will find? See, B-A-D, bad. So, all of you search the first letter of the word in this grid. So, the first letter is B. So, all of you find where is B? See, here also B, but here it is not completing the other words, B-A-D. B-A-D is not written nearby this letter. So, now search the another word B, another letter B. The next letter is B. See, B-A-D. Oh, this is the word. So, all of you cover it. Cover this word B-A-D like this. Okay. Now the next word D-A-Y. D-A-Y. Day. So, all of you search the first letter of day. Now, see where D is written. Here, D. So, D-A-Y. All of you see D-A-Y. So, it is the word. So, all of you cover it like this. Okay. Now, all of you find the next word M-A-T. Mat. So, the first letter of mat is M. So, again all of you find the letter M. Where is M? Here, M. So, all of you see the next two letters A-T. It is also here. So, the spelling M-A-T. All of you cover it. Cover it with a rectangle like this. Children, all of you also do with me. Then only you will find these words easily. L-A-K-E, lake. The first letter of lake is L. So, where is L? All of you find. Here also L is written, but the spelling lake is not completing. Okay, so now see the next letter L, but it is also not completing. So let's see the next letter. This one is also not completing. So it is also not completing the other letters. So we will find the next letter L. All of you see. Here. L-A-K-E. So we will cover this word lake like this. Children, you will find all the letters together. All the letters together. If it is written together, then only we will cover these words. Okay? L-A-K-E. Lake. Now see the next word. W-A-Y. Way. So where it is written? First, all of you find the letter W. Where it is written? W. Here. W. W-A-Y. So all of you cover the letter way like this. W-A-Y. It was already covered with the D-A-Y, but then also we will cover in this word also, W-A-Y, way. W-A-Y, way. Okay? Now, the next word, D-A-M. So, first all of you find the letter D. Where is D? See, here. D-A-M. Dam. Okay? So, all of you cover it. Children, don't confuse because D was already covered in the spelling D-A-D. But we will again cover in D-A-M also. Okay? D-A-M. D is common in this word and B-A-D and the another word D-A-M. In both the spellings, D is common. So, we will cover like this. D-A-M, dam. The next word, L-A-T-E, late. So, where it is written? Here, L-A-T-E. L-A-T-E. So, all of you cover L-A-T-E. Children, all of you also do with me. L-A-T-E, late. Now, next word, H-A-T, hat. So, where it is written? Here, H-A-T. H-A-T, hat. Okay? Now, next word, M-A-P, map. So, where it is? M-A-P. All of you see? M-A-P. So, all of you cover it. M-A-P. Like this, children, you will do the rest words. Okay? And in the next question, look at these pictures and complete the words by filling the vowel A. In all these words, all of you fill A. Then this spelling will complete. J-A-I-L, jail. If we will write here A, then F-A-N, fan. C-H-A-I-N, chain. Like this, children, in these words also, all of you write small a and complete the spelling.